Okay, so looking for the maximum height, we have a resistance force of mkV, and the object is projected vertically upwards. So plus is up, minus is down. The weight force is mg, so it'll be negative mg, and there's a resistance force of minus mkV. So the sum of the forces is minus mkV minus mg. So mass times the acceleration equals minus mkV minus mg. So the m's cancel out, and you end up with the acceleration equals minus kv plus g. So because we want the actual height, we want distance, we're going to have to use dv times dv on dx equals minus kv plus g. And from this now, let's just get the v's on the one side. Let's go v on kv plus g dv equals minus 1 dx. Now, because we're after the max height, we know when x equals 0, v will be mu. And I think in the question I actually should have said is projected up, that the initial, I should have actually put this, the initial speed equals mu. Okay, and that's what that mu is in that solution. Alright, so you go from mu and then it goes up to v equals 0, and this is up to x equals h. So when you integrate this, you go from mu up to 0, and you're integrating this, you're going from 0 up to big H. Okay, so integrating the right-hand side is pretty easy. It's just minus x from 0 to h, and then it's minus h minus minus 0. So you end up with minus h. Integrating this side here is a little bit harder because you're at v plus kv plus g dv. So what we need to actually do is put the k in there, and I'm going to try and create the denominator. And then you go minus g plus g. Plus g minus g. Okay, so that means that you have 1 on k from mu to 0 of 1 minus g over kv plus g dv equals minus h. Okay, so that's 1 on k, mu to 0 of 1 minus. Now, I'm just going to split this up, and I'll go dv minus 1 on k g over kv plus g dv equals minus h. So that's 1 on k, and it's going to be from mu to 0. 1 on k v from mu to 0 minus 1 on k. Now I'm going to take the g out because the g shouldn't be there. Mu to 0, kv plus g, and that's a 1. So the derivative of this here, kv plus g, is k. So I'll put a k in there, but then I'll also divide by k. So we have 1 on k g minus mu minus g on k squared, and then this is going to now be ln kv plus g equals minus h. Okay, so that's going to be mu on k minus g on k squared ln kv plus g. Now I just have to put these boundaries in, so it's from mu to 0 equals minus h. Probably should put it back up there too, because technically it hasn't been subbed in yet. So it's mu k minus g k squared ln k times 0 plus g minus g on k squared ln k mu plus g. And all of that equals minus h. Okay, so mu on k minus g on k squared ln g minus g on k squared ln k mu plus g equals minus h. Alright, so you've got mu on k minus, now I'm going to go g squared k squared ln g. Now, taking, I've got that minus there still, g on k squared. ln g minus ln k mu plus g equals minus h. Alright, now let's just have a look at what are we actually trying to get to go all the way back up. So it's mu on k, I've got that part, g on k squared ln 1 plus k mu on g. Okay, so I just got to make sure I get all these signs. There's a lot of signs happening here. So, wait a minute. This one should have had a minus here because that's minus mu. You can see that just from this part here. So there's the minus mu, so that should be minus. And then I'm just going to change some of these signs. So that's going to be plus mu k plus g on k squared. Now, ln g minus ln, so I'll change all those signs, ln k mu plus g equals h. Okay, so mu, they didn't have the g on the bottom, so I'm going to make that minus ln, that's just like that. Sorry, we're going to do g on k squared, and I'm going to take the minus out. And we're going to make that ln k mu plus g, because this is going to swap this around, minus ln g. The reason I'm doing that is because the g was actually on the bottom, not on the top. Minus, so this here is g on k squared, ln k mu plus g on g, which equals h. And that's going to be mu on k minus g on k squared ln, now it's k mu on g plus g on g, which equals h, which is mu on k minus g on k squared ln 1 plus k mu on g equals h. Okay, which is the required result.